Hello everyone. Welcome to Bravim MBA CAT Foundation, Level 1. If you're a first-year undergraduate student dreaming of studying at the IIMs or any top business school, you're in the right place. Many students think CAT preparation begins in the final year of college. That's one of the biggest mistakes they make. CAT tests your ability to think logically and solve problems quickly. These skills aren't developed overnight. They are built through consistent practice. That's why, in this series, we'll build your foundation one concept at a time. Today's topic is number system, one of the most important building blocks of quantitative aptitude. We'll cover 4 simple but essential concepts: divisibility rules, then factors and multiples prime, and then composite numbers, the special number 1. Let's begin. Slide 2. Divisibility rules. Our first concept is divisibility rules. These are quick shortcuts that help you determine whether a number can be divided by another number without performing long division. Let's look at the most commonly used rules. A number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is even, that is, 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. For example, 248 ends with 8, so it is divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Take 135. 1 plus 3 plus 5 equals 9. Since 9 is divisible by 3, 135 is also divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 4 if its last 2 digits form a number divisible by 4. For example, the last 2 digits are 16. Since 16 is divisible by 4, the entire number is divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 5 if it ends in 0 or 5. Simple and easy to remember. A number is divisible by 6 only if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. For example, 126 ends with 6, so it is divisible by 2. The sum of digits is 9, which is divisible by 3. Therefore, 126 is divisible by 6. Finally, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. For example, 7 plus 2 plus 9 equals 18. Since 18 is divisible by 9, so is 729. These simple rules can save precious seconds during the CAT exam. Slide 3. Factors and multiples. Now let's understand factors and multiples. Many students confuse these two terms, but they are actually quite different. A factor is a number that divides another number exactly, leaving no remainder. Let's take the number 18. Which numbers divide 18 perfectly? They are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. These are called the factors of 18. Now let's look at multiples. Multiples are created by multiplying a number by natural numbers. Suppose we start with 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. Then 28, 35, and 42. These are the first 6 multiples of 7. Here's an easy way to remember. Factors divide into a number. Multiples come from a number. If you remember just this one sentence, you'll never confuse them again. Slide 4. Prime numbers, composite numbers, and 1. Let's move to our final concept. A prime number has exactly 2 factors, 1, and the number itself. Examples include 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. Notice that 2 is the only even prime number. Now let's look at composite numbers. These have more than 2 factors. Examples include 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, and 12. Since these numbers can be divided by numbers other than 1 in themselves, they are composite. Now comes a very common CAT question. What about the number 1? Is it prime? No. Is it composite? Also no. Why? Because 1 has only one factor, which is itself. A prime number needs exactly 2 factors. A composite number needs more than 2. Since 1 satisfies neither condition, it is neither prime nor composite. This is a fact every CAT aspirant must remember. Closing 45 seconds. Today we've covered the foundation of the number system. We learned divisibility rules, factors, multiples, prime numbers, composite numbers, and why the number 1 is unique. These concepts appear repeatedly not only in number system questions, but also in algebra, arithmetic, and many advanced CAT topics. So make sure you understand them well before moving ahead. In our next video, we'll begin solving CAT-style number system questions using these concepts. If you found this lesson helpful, subscribe to Bravim MBA CAT Foundation and join us every day as we build your aptitude, one question at a time. Remember, start early, stay consistent, stay ahead. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.